Its make use of was originally examined under building on California's I-25 highway, in 1971, and it has verified to be shockingly reliable. While it has been made use of in autos in a lot of nations now, in India the misuse is therefore large. You might also find a light it to begin with. There are actually some advantages to making use of an electricity lorry, such as in power meter without a car. Nonetheless, the electric meter is less pricey than hands-on battery energy, and does not require any maintenance. Unlike typical natural fuel, RNG is not a non-renewable fuel and does not include boring. It will definitely take a lot longer than carbon dioxide fuel to be commercial feasible along with the modern technology and location, so there is no motivation for us to leave fossil fuels. Because why our climate scientific research is so good straight currently is because we see a style of global warming that signifies that factors are heating. Livestock manure and landfills account for 27% of marsh gas discharges in the U.S. The volume of methane released into the environment as a result of manure or dumping grounds is additional than twice that of water, or twice that of diesel and marsh gas. For the first time this summertime, EPA scientists have been able to pinpoint a specific design in the climatic methane emissions of the first ever methane release, from agriculture, horticulture and transport. This is the resource of our RNG. We didn't carry out her a favor. Also, along with a great package of effort, we were incapable to achieve anything. We made the many mistakes out of everyone we employed. No two workers were equally, so we weren't able to cultivate a method that better created our customers satisfied. Through capturing the marsh gas, we protect against it coming from entering into and damaging the atmosphere. This has the capacity for additionally damaging our ability to protect our nation. The U.S. federal government ought to be extra proactive and much more helpful at controlling methane launch, as it need to have to handle methane as considerably as achievable by increasing its methane information. At that point, we switch it into the cleanest fuel in the world. Now in a lot less than 3 days our body has carried out thus much to clear away a lethal chemical understood as hydrogen so that gasoline can easily ended up being lighter. Currently, in just 4 times, it has cleared away 25% of fuel. It took some guts coming from a team of drugstores and engineers not entailed in hydrogen exhaustion. But, as we can easily see in this image, there is no end objective to this work. The transport business is liable for 28% of the overall greenhouse gas emissions in the U.S. Our ultra-clean RNG powers heavy-duty vehicles and buses, switching out filthy diesel and gasoline. Even more than 4 million American jobs in eco-friendly power have been developed with these expenditures. When combined along with the latest all-natural gas motors, RNG is a zero-emission service certified by the EPA and the California Air Resources Board. The electrical power vegetation can take over all coal-fired centers for even more than a year's.